Greetings, viewers. We're about to embark on an insightful journey into the world of the renowned French writer, Victor Hugo. In this engaging video presentation, we'll dive deep into the essence of this literary genius by exploring 10 of his most meaningful and thought-provoking quotes. Great perils have this beauty, that they bring to light the fraternity of strangers. To put everything in balance is good. To put everything in harmony is better. To love or have loved, that is enough. Ask nothing further. There is no other pearl to be found in the dark folds of life. Change your opinions. Keep to your principles. Change your leaves. Keep intact your roots. Short as life is, we make it still shorter by the careless waste of time. Even the darkest night will end and the sun will rise. Adversity makes men and prosperity makes monsters. Laughter is the sun that drives winter from the human face. He who opens a school door closes a prison.